Good morning everybody, my name is Lindsay. Welcome back to my channel. This is A Little Spruce, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create a vision board on Canva. Super quick and easy. I'm going to do this in about 10 minutes, and I hope that it helps you design your next space. So if you're interested in learning how to plan your next beautiful space, keep watching. Alright, so making a vision board in Canva is super easy. I've got my screen recording pulled up here and I've opened up Canva on my computer. You could also do this on your phone or tablet or whatever you have. I've opened up a, what do you call this? A whiteboard. So you can really make any kind of template work, but I like the whiteboard option. So open up a whiteboard and you can see here, this is how I would drag all my images into the whiteboard. You would just upload files and pick from your save files. So what I like to do is I like to start off with the things that I will not be changing in the bathroom or any room that you are doing. So I'm putting my floor in here. This is not my exact floor, but something that looks similar. And I've also found a vanity and a cabinet that look very similar to the ones in my bathroom. Not exactly the same, but they will look enough alike to give me the idea. And I also just pulled in the shower. Not that we're really going to do anything with the shower, but it just kind of gives us a basis of what colors we already have in the room and what we have to work with. So we've got the vanity, the cabinet, the floor, and the shower. So the first thing that I'm thinking about changing in this makeover is the medicine cabinet. So I have a few medicine cabinets that I have saved pictures of, and I'm not really sure which one that I like best. So this is a great use for the vision board, is you can pull in multiple of the same item and then compare how they look against all the other things that you have going on in your space already. So I'm going to go with the black one just for this vision board. I think it works best with the cabinet, and so I'll just put it right there above the cabinet where it would already be. And then I found this light fixture. I'd really like to change out the one in our bathroom. It's just silver and kind of dated, just the style of it. So here's one I found. It's got some black, some gold. The light shades are glass and has like little Edison bulbs in there. So even though this might not be the exact light fixture or medicine cabinet that I will find, it gives me an idea of how this kind of stuff will look in the space. And when I pull everything else into the space, it'll tell me if I need to change up something that I've already put in here. So those are my, my basic tips for getting started. Find what you already have or something very similar, and then start building off of that. The things that you know that you want to change or you probably want to change. I might not even change the medicine cabinet, but this gives me an idea of what it would look like if I did. So to pull some more black into the space, we only really have silver. I am going to update the curtain shower, the curtain rod for the shower curtain. There we go. The rod for the shower curtain. And I'd also like some new updated hooks on there. Ours is just like, I think the one that came with the shower, it's white, it's kind of dingy. So I'll pull that up. And I will also just pull up a white shower curtain. I have a new one that I'm planning to use, and I will just throw that on there as well. It might not seem like that big of a detail, but say that you had a pattern shower curtain or something with a little bit more color or pop, it would be nice to put that on your board to see how it would look with everything else. So I just go on to Google, I find something that looks similar to what I have, I save that image, and then I can easily upload it right into my mood board. So even if I don't have an image saved already, I can find new images while I'm working on my mood board. So I'm going to drag that shower curtain in, I'm going to make it more of the right size, and I'll just throw it there next to my shower because that's how it would be in the bathroom anyway. And I'm also going to crop. You can crop any image that you want. So if you find an image on the internet that's like perfect, but it's got something else in it, I just crop it right down, make it fit right in there. So that gives me an idea of what my shower would look like. I've also found some more light fixtures that I'm just going to pop in here and compare to the one that I already have. And even if I don't know, like I said, exactly what light fixture I'm getting, I know that I like things of this similar style. So go ahead when you're on Pinterest, save just the light fixtures that you like. And then when you pull them all in next to each other, you can really see what it is that you like in each of them. So I saved all these on different days, but I can see that I like similar things about them when I put them next to each other. And then I'm going to put this picture pretty big here in the middle. This is my main inspiration for the bathroom. I'd really like to do this board and batten with the hooks for towels. I think that's really pretty. And I think it lightens up some of the darker aspects of the room. What I'm doing now is you can bring a picture to the front. So if I already put this medicine cabinet picture in, but I want it to be overlaid on top of another picture, you can select that picture and click bring to front, and it'll put it on top of the pictures that you have put in after it, if that makes sense. So now I'm just pulling in a rug. I'd really like a long runner rug instead of two separate rugs, just to ground the space more and to prevent them from sliding around as much. So I'm just going to crop it down from the Amazon listing that I have, and then I will make it a little bit bigger. Let's see, I think I'm trying to rotate it. I will just make it a little bit bigger, rotate it, there we go. I don't like how that looks rotated. Maybe I'll put it like that. No, I didn't like how that looked. So I'll rotate it however I want it, and I'll kind of put it more towards the bottom because it is the rug. So that gives me an idea of how that would look in the space. I'm looking to add a little bit of color because everything in here so far is pretty neutral. And that's what a vision board really helps you with, is when you put everything together, you can see, wow, I really have no color, or I have too much color that's competing. So it really gives you a better idea. I'm very much a visual person, so it really helps a lot. And you can do this with any space. You could even do this with a miniature space, or it might not even be a space in your home. You could do it with landscaping, different plants, see how they look together, something like that. This is really helpful for pretty much anything that you'd want to do. And I make a vision board for pretty much every space that I'm doing, just because I have a hard time picturing things if I don't. So I've also dragged in some soap bottles that I have put in my Amazon cart. I really like the amber glass and also the black that it brings in. And here I am just saving my vision board. You save it just like a normal picture and titling it Bathroom Mood Board. And I will just save that wherever I want to save it on my computer or on your phone. So thank you guys for watching this super quick video. I hope that it helps you plan out your next space and your next makeover. And I'm super excited for all that you are going to do in your homes or wherever else you're designing. So thank you for watching once again, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!